Once you've logged into the WordPress dashboard, on the left-hand side you'll see a menu about a third or half of the way down the screen that says Pages, and you may or may not see two sub-items here. If you don't, go ahead and click on the arrow next to Pages and it will either collapse or expand that menu. But there's two ways you can create a page in WordPress. The first is by clicking on this All Pages link, which will then take you to a page that shows you all of the pages that have been created on this site. From here at the top, you can click on the button that says Add New Pages, and if you click on that, it takes you to a page here, a screen that says Add New Page. In addition to that, you can also click on the Add New link underneath the Pages menu on the left-hand side. Both of these options take you to the same location. From here, you can enter some text for the title of the page. I'm going to call this About Me. And down here you can add some additional, the content. So I'm going to add, my name is Matthew Evans, and let's say that's what I want the page to be. From here you can see that I've got some items that may or may not resemble something that I'm used to. This happens to be because I'm on the HTML tab over here on the right hand side. If you click on Visual, which is the item next to it, it actually takes you to some toolbars that may look more familiar that you can use. The HTML tab is if you're familiar with HTML code and you want to enter some custom code into that text box. You can do that there. But if you want just a visual editor, which is similar to Microsoft Word, you can click on the Visual tab and then select the text that you want, and I can bold some things, I can italicize, and you have additional options with these toolbars. Once this page is done, you can go ahead and over here on the right hand side, depending on what your permission level is, this may or may not say publish. You may have some additional options here, or maybe less options. But you can save this page as a draft, which makes it not public quite yet. If you want to come back and add some additional content to it, you can click on the preview button, which allows you to see what the page will look like once it is public. And you can edit its visibility, making a page public or private or password protected, and then you can set a publish date. So if you want this page to be made available next week, you can just click on the edit link here, change that date and timestamp, and then click OK, and this publish button down here will then change to the word schedule. I want to go ahead and publish this now, so I'm just going to click on publish. And once it's done, up here at the top you'll get a confirmation saying the page has been published, as well as a link that will take you directly to that page. And so now the page is loaded, and I'll see the title here as well as a text that I've added. And then you'll also see a box here for people to comment on the page if you have commenting turned on your site.